Last time on Fit to Eat, Chef Rob Stinson prepared a delicious stuffed tenderloin. Today, we're going to prepare spinach cream sauce and Brabant potatoes that will elevate the tenderloin, or almost any beef dish for that matter, to the next level. First things first, we chop. We'll start by making the spinach cream sauce. Heat up a half teaspoon of oil in a pan. Once hot, add the diced onion, half of the minced garlic, diced red bell pepper, and 4 ounces of fresh spinach leaves. Deglaze the pan with a splash of water or white wine. Then add in half of the fresh chopped parsley. Next, fold in 2 ounces of fat-free cream cheese, along with 1/3 cup of salt-free vegetable stock and 1/4 cup of skim milk. Season with the other half of the fresh chopped parsley. As the sauce starts to bubble, turn the heat down to low. While it simmers, we can begin. Brabant potatoes are a Louisiana staple that are typically fried. But we don't have to deep fry anything to get a crispy potato side dish. In a new pan, heat up a half teaspoon of oil. Add in the red potatoes that have been cut into quarters and season with a teaspoon of black pepper. Keep the potatoes moving constantly. We don't want any one side to get more heat than the others. Add in a teaspoon of fresh chopped rosemary and keep on stirring. After a few minutes, the outsides of the potato will be nice and crispy. Top the potatoes with a teaspoon of chopped parsley, the other half of the minced garlic, and 1 ounce of Parmesan cheese. Toss or stir to combine. Serve these potatoes with the spinach and cream sauce. And just like that, delicious Brabant potatoes with spinach cream sauce that are fit to eat. This recipe pairs perfectly with Rob's delicious stuffed tenderloin. The link to that video is in the description below. To see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat. Chef Rob is joined by Emily Thavis, the Director of Education at the National Diabetes and Obesity Research Institute. For more fit-to-eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.